Villamorians! Welcome back to our Brigada Eskwela Pagbasa 2021. So this is the second video which I'm gonna share with you, and I hope you will learn something from this, and not only learn but you have to practice this one. Okay? So enjoy the video! So our topic for this video is how to make impressive responses to comprehension questions. And we certainly do this during a class discussion. The teacher will assign a text or an article for you to read, or probably a movie for you to watch. And on the next meeting, questions will be thrown to you by your teachers. Now, how are you gonna make your responses impressive? But before that, let's watch first the next part of this video. Who is the major character in the movie?
Ma'am, it's Mulan.
Oh, good, Mark. Yes, Gela?
The major character in the movie is Mulan. Her father will be drafted in the military, but he is ill. So Mulan disguises as a man to take his spot to join the military. She's a loving daughter for doing such thing. Wow, that's an amazing answer, Gela.
Okay, so what did you notice about the responses given by Mark and Gela? Yeah, both are correct answers. However, Gela stated her answer in more impressive one. How did she do that? Because Gela followed the steps in answering comprehension questions. So what are these steps in answering comprehension questions? Let's find out again. So here are the steps in answering comprehension questions. First, restate the keywords in the questions. Next, state your answer. Add evidence or evidences to your answer also. Then, explain your answer. Finally, add conclusion to your answer. So, these are the steps that Gela followed when she responded to the question of her teacher. So, can you be like Gela? Yes, you can. Right, so now that you know the steps in answering comprehension questions in a proper way or in a right way, I hope that when you go back to the classroom, you will follow the steps that I discussed in this video. So, to end up this video lesson, I want to share a quotation taken from the book Riot, which is here actually at this video, that the more you read, the more you know. The more you learn, the more places you go. So that's taken from the book Riot. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and like what I always say, read. So until next time, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teach Lily, to learn more about, the English language. So that's all for today. Bye. Stay safe.